As a kid, I'd hide when veggies showed up on my plate, especially Managu and Kanjira, but now I'm the one running to the kitchen to cook them. Stick around because I'm about to turn these Kienyeji greens into something mouth-watering. So this is both Kanjira and Managu mixed, and we're going to add water and then add a pinch of salt. Then we're going to cover it for just maybe 2 to 3 minutes, just so that we just remove the the bitterness. And it's ready. So we're going to remove it and then set it aside. We're going to heat up our oil and then add in our onions. And then now this is that point we're going to add in our veggies, the one where we had drained the water. You see, so it still retains the green color. I don't know, when we're growing up we're told green domboga or something. Yeah, so it's gonna retain the green color. And now it's ready. We're going to add in our milk, just a little. I think I had half a cup or something, so we're going to add it in. And of course, being a Royco cube, here we go. I did add in my Royco cube just for flavor test. Yeah. So we're going to cover it for just a minute or two and then let it cook, and it will be ready. And look at that. And just like that, our delicious Managu and Kanjira is ready. Who knew Kienyeji could just taste good? If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tasty and simple recipes straight from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next one.